Number 1, this is the orange list. Number 1 is shown. The flashlight beam shone brightly. Number 2 is froze. When the water froze, it became ice. Number 3 is freeze. I will freeze these peas and save them for later. Number 4 is swept. I swept the glitter after it fell on the ground. Number 5 is shine. I'll shine a light under my bed to see if I can find my socks. Number 6 is sweep. Mr. Taylor will sweep the entryway after the kids get into school. Number 7 is keep. I keep my car keys in my purse. Number 8 is kept. I kept telling him that it was time to go to bed. Number 9 is pay. You have to pay the bill before you leave the restaurant. Number 10 is paid. I paid $3 to get this treat.